Today we're taking a full look at the Hitway BK7S Plus electric bike. From unboxing to specs, performance, ride quality, and whether it's actually worth the money. Let's open the box and see exactly what's included, how it's put together, and get our first proper look at the bike. As I open the box, you can see what comes with the bike. Normally this Hitway BK7S Plus retails at £1,199, but right now it's on sale for £899, a strong value before we even get it out. Out of the box, the bike feels well packaged and protected. Most of it comes pre-assembled, which makes setup very straightforward. Now, I'm just cutting zip ties and removing the sponges. The box also includes an Allen key, a tool for the bike lock, and a handy bike pump. Everything feels solid and thoughtfully packaged. Well done, Hitway. Alright, let's get this assembled. I'll see you after it's all set up. Alright, assembly is done and I'm back on the bike. A light rain started while I was putting it together, which had me a bit on edge. I thought it might turn into a proper downpour. Luckily, it stayed light, so we're good to go. Now, taking a closer look at the bike, the matte finish, clean lines and solid welds really give it a premium feel for the price. Before we hit the road, let me break down the specs this bike carries. It comes with a removable 36-volt 12.8 amp-hour battery. You can take it anywhere, giving you up to 80 kilometers range on a single charge. 250-watt motor hub hits 25 kilometers per hour, easily handles 25-degree slopes. Shimano 7-speed gears, lockable front suspension, 29-inch puncture tires, hydraulic disc brakes, smart control with NFC. Now, about the display, it shows everything clearly, including your speed, range, assist mode, and battery level, all positioned nicely in front of you for easy viewing. And that's not it, it even comes with an app so you can control it all from your phone. You can lock or unlock the bike, change speed modes, control the headlights, check battery range and mileage, even use navigation and more. Alright, that covers the setup and features. I'm going to charge up the battery and then we'll take it out for a proper ride test. Alright, now we're outside and taking the bike for a little ride to test the performance and share some first thoughts. We're starting off in standard mode and the first thing I notice is the pedal assist. Even on mode 1 and in a soft gear, it's definitely doing some work. Since I'm so used to riding e-scooters, this actually feels like a bit of a workout for me. I didn't even notice this during assembly, but the seat actually has built-in suspension, which makes the ride a lot more comfortable. The gears are really easy to change, and you can definitely feel the pedal assist kicking in. Here I'm just testing different gears to find the balance I'm most comfortable with, so I don't get too tired since you do have to put in some pedal work. I like to save my energy so we can ride longer and get the most out of the battery. Another thing I noticed straight away is the stability on this bike. It feels really solid. I can comfortably ride with one hand without the handlebars getting wobbly or losing control. And out of curiosity, I even tried letting go with both hands. Please don't try to copy this for your own safety. I'm an experienced rider and I still wouldn't recommend it, as it could cause injuries. I only noticed this a bit later, but while adjusting my camera with gloves on, I was turning the bike on and off from the phone app, and it ended up glitching the dashboard. You can see here it's stuck showing 9 miles. Don't worry though, I fixed it by turning the bike off and removing the battery, which solved the issue. It did worry me for a moment. Now that I've fixed the frozen display, I wanted to give a quick speed test and let you hear the hub motor and brakes in action without me talking so you can get the full experience. Now that you've heard the motor and brakes, let's talk about how the bike actually rides. Acceleration feels smooth, the pedal assist is responsive, and the handling is really stable. This bike only goes up to 15 miles per hour, which is what they claim on the website, and that's what keeps it street legal with pedal assist. The hub motor really impressed me, and I actually enjoy listening to the sound it makes. It's satisfying, and you can tell when the assist is on. The brakes don't make any noise either, even though they're Zoom brand. I've tested these brakes on some e-scooters before, and they made a rattling sound, so I was a bit worried at first, but after riding for some time there are no issues. The bike itself doesn't rattle at all and feels super comfortable, even for long rides. I can already tell this is going to be a smooth ride every time. Now that we're on this wood trail, I'm going to stay quiet for a bit so you can really experience the ride, hear the suspension in action, and enjoy the sounds of the bike and nature around us. The suspension does a good job on bumps, and the seat suspension helps too, but that's not enough to really test it. So I brought the bike to a BMX track to see how it performs. I know it's not really designed for this. It's built for city riding and daily commuting, but I wanted to push it a bit and see what it can handle. Now that you've seen the performance of this e-bike, here are my final thoughts. I think this bike is brilliant. Super fun to ride and well made for the price. It's perfect to own, fully legal, and could even replace your car for short trips. It's currently selling for £899, but I've got a discount code for you to save £30. Check the description and my bio for the code. Before we wrap up, I just want to mention that I've done 9.8 miles on the bike, and I still have 80% battery left. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.